Hello, you are on the Crypto Rider channel. Subscribe to the channel and listen carefully. With the use of Optimism technology, individuals can now provide evidence to support the currency of their information. This includes verifying a person's involvement in a project or their successful financial transaction. The technology allows for a reliable and efficient means of proving one's claims. EAS is to launch with the goal of promotion, fair, open tokens distribution, and community voting system on Optimism. Its main function is to enable users to verify on-chain content, which could affect how OP tokens are distributed and how users interact on the platform. EAS serves as the base layers for coordination, creating and registering unique attestation schemas. This allows for interoperability and composability between various attestation protocols and solutions, enabling the attestation layer to evolve over time. Optimism is using the on-chain proof protocol EAS as promote the distribution of OP tokens with EAS. Users can post a publicly accessible record of how tokens are distributed, allowing on-chain analysts to better understand who is receiving OP tokens, and for that purpose, this promoted transparency across the entire ecosystem. The technology also supports the work of Optimism Collective, which rewards ecosystem contributors with cryptocurrency. EAS provides the group with the necessary information to distribute OPC. Community members who actively contribute to the blockchain. Developers will receive incentives to build the critical infrastructure on Optimism and enhance the user's experience in the ecosystem. The technology enables developers to create innovation identity product on Optimism-based Polygon and Ethereum. One potential product is an aggregated rating system for DeFi users, reputations, assigning a reputation score based on other users' attestations of their interactions. Note then the information provided on this website is general market commentary and not investment advice. It is recommended to conduct your own research before investing.